put it on a hanger. It will make cleaning easier. My grandma taught me this trick, and my sisters use it too. It really helped me keep my home tidy. Often a mop can't reach certain spots, it's simply too thick, especially under cabinets or behind the fridge. But I've got a trick that will surprise you. All you need is a sock and a clothes hanger. Yes, just a hanger and a sock. With this method, you'll reach all those tricky places with ease. Just slip the sock onto the arm of the hanger like I did. For best results, use 2 socks, 1 for each side. Old or mismatched socks work perfectly. Look how simple it is. Now you can easily clean every spot that used to be a struggle. You can reach and remove all the dust under the fridge. No need to move it. Narrow gaps between cabinets. No problem with your sock-covered hanger. Even the wall behind the radiator, which no one ever cleans, will finally get dusted. Plus, it's super convenient. After cleaning, just take off the sock, shake it out, and toss it in the washing machine if you want to reuse it. If the socks were already destined for the trash, just throw them away.